and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro-dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. Nike's stock rose 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Thank you, Javier, for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The dollar mostly held its ground in spite of downward pressure from lower bond yields and higher stocks, as traders waited on this week's US consumer price data to see whether it will confirm that inflation is in retreat. China introduced transit curbs for South Korean and Japanese nationals in an escalating diplomatic spat over COVID-19 curbs that is marring the grand reopening of the world's second-largest economy after 3 years of isolation. Rishi Sunak and the Japanese Prime Minister will sign what the UK government said will be the most significant defence agreement between the two nations in more than a century. Leaders will sign a defence agreement at the Tower of London, which will allow the UK and Japan to deploy forces in one another's countries.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index Core at 13:30 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Outlook at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's trade balance will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Current at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.